Hello everyone, welcome back to Best 5-1. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best kayak carts. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the TMS CART-CANOE kayak carrier. Supporting a weight-bearing capability of 150 pounds, this CART capability is a strong steel frame that adds to its sturdiness. Also, we love that the foam padding on each arm of the bumper protects the canoe or kayak against any scratches and other such mishaps that would arise as you make your way toward the water frame. The tires are huge and may be removed with the help of a linchpin. This will let you keep your cart when no longer in use without problem. The aluminum pipes and stainless steel upload to the cart's sturdiness. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Best Choice Products Boat Kayak Canoe Carrier. The top item on our best kayak cart review list is this cart, which is said by means of the company to move results easily no matter terrain. We liked how you could effortlessly transport a kayak or a canoe, etc., from your car, tent or residence to the water and vice versa with this cart. It features a V-shaped layout with a view to cradle your kayak or canoe. A spring-loaded stand additionally accompanies this cart, allowing you smooth loading and unloading facility. At number 3, we have the Malone Clipper Deluxe Universal Kayak Cart. This cart supports an aluminum body that offers outstanding durability. The tires are 10 inches and the organization claims that they will in no way move flat. You do now not must worry about entering into the hassle of changing tires due to their dependable construction. Furthermore, you can even eliminate the frame. This will let you effortlessly keep this cart away when not in use. At number 2, we have the ABN Universal Kayak Carrier. This fashionable searching kayak cart supports an incredibly typical design. It serves a couple of purposes, as it permits you to hold your kayak, canoe, john boat, paddle board, glide mat and different such stuff. Moreover, this strong kayak cart helps a potential of as much as 200 pounds. We like that the substances used in its creation are excessive energy anodized metal. Further, 9.5 inches of knobby tires can without problems be inflated and deflated as in step with your need. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ctug Kayak or Canoe Trolley Cart. Although this particular kayak cart has a rugged appearance, it has been made the usage of high-quality substances. This unique kayak cart has been manufactured the use of high pleasant and non-corroding engineering polymers, including durability. Apart from this, we adore that this kayak cart also capabilities axles crafted from stainless steel. Moreover, the wheels of this kayak cart are such that they may offer you with an easy shipping of your kayak or canoe in nearly all styles of terrains. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this kayak carts, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.